I'm Dr. Tuhin Pal, Lab Director, Ruby General Hospital, Department of Laboratory Medicine. I welcome you to the lab. First, let us give you a short tour of our lab. Now, this is the consultant reporting section. The consultants sit and report all the cases here. Now, this is our administrative section. The lab director and the lab manager and the deputy lab manager sits in this room, and all the administrative work is done here. So now we have come to a very important section of our lab, that is the sample receiving center. This is the area where the entire hospital samples, be it blood, urine or stool, comes and it's received here, and the number is generated, the tagging is done, and then it's sent to the respective departments for the further testing. Now this is our microbiology and molecular biology room. The entire microbiology setup and the molecular biology, including the COVID testing, are being done in this department. So we are right now standing inside the microbiology department and the molecular biology department. These are the various workstations which you can see around me. And let me introduce you to Dr. Gargi Bhattacharya, our consultant microbiologist, who will just give a brief walkthrough of the department. Over to Dr. Bhattacharya.
Hello everyone, this is our Vitec machine where we get automated reports of identification and sensitivity of bacterial isolates from various samples. Please follow. In the bacterial culture area, you can see the biohazard sign. This is where isolation from bacterial cultures as well as staining is performed, and then the cultures are put into the Vitec machine for automated identification and culture and sensitivity. This is the molecular biology section. Here, very important and infectious agents are detected with the help of RT-PCR. We have two gene expert machines where we can detect the RNA of COVID-19, DNA of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and other viruses, HCV, and bacteria like Clostridium difficile toxin. All the works are performed in the biosafety cabinet by expert technicians. Detection of various microbes is done by ELISA and other rapid CAR tests. 3 automated machines for detection of isolates from blood culture. Here our senior technician is performing the test.
So now we are seeing the clinical pathology department, which regularly tests the urine and stool for RE and CS. Standing inside the histopathology and cytopathology lab. So this is the grossing section. I will just take you through and introduce you to our consultant histopathologist, Dr. Devashish Bhattacharya, who is right now doing a grossing of a specimen sent from the OT. So this is where the grossing is done, and the reports are being, the grossing descriptions are being made here, and the cuts given, and the representative sections are being taken. After the OT specimens have been grossed and the sections are taken, I will just pass on to Dr. Bhattacharya to walk you through the rest of the 4 steps of the histopathology processing. Over to Dr. Bhattacharya, please.
Namaskar. So this is our fully automated histopathology lab, and this is the fully automated histopathology tissue processing unit. This can process up to 120 blocks in a time of 12 hours, giving you a faster turnaround time. And after the tissue has been processed and the paraffin blocks have been made, we will come over to the next section in which the paraffin blocks are embedded. This is the fully automated tissue processing unit composed of cold plate and a hot plate. This is the technician is now performing embedding, in which the processed tissues are made into our paraffin blocks. This is a fully automated platform which causes accurate giving you 5 sections from which accurate histopathology reporting can be done. As this is an automated platform, so it improves the turnaround time so that we can make confident diagnosis at faster time. This is the fully automated microtome machine which cuts the paraffin block into thin paraffin sections. After the paraffin sections have been made, this is given to the flotation bath from which the slides are being made. This is the final step of histopathology processing in which the slides are stained with H&E stain. We also do various kind of special stains. Our technician is currently doing H&E stain of sections. Our lab also has a dedicated cryo-section facility which facilitates accurate diagnosis for oncology specimen, for specimen diagnosis and status of the dissection margins. This is our frozen section room in which the frozen section slides are processed.
So now we have come down to the medical transcription and report typing section. We have 2 full-time transcriptionists here, and all the reports which are being generated by the lab are being typed here. So now we have come down to one of the busiest departments of our lab medicine. This is the biochemistry department, and let me introduce you to Dr. Sulika Lipi Ghosh, our full-time biochemist, and she will walk you through the various sub-departments. Over to Dr. Ghosh.
These are the small machines, electrolytes, blood gas analyzer and trophite and D-dimer is done here. This is the machines used for HB16. This is our biochemistry department and this is a modular machine. Here, biochemical chemistry and immunoassay both are done here. This is a high throughput machine. Additional machine for hormone assay and the serology is done here.
So now this is yet another machine. This is a full-time clinical biochemistry analyzer in our lab. The technician is just putting a new batch of samples. As you can see, our biochemistry lab is fully equipped and has multiple redundancies in case of a machine breaks down. We have adequate replacement machines and the testing goes on unhindered. So now we have come down to another important part of our lab. This is the hematology department, which is, as we know, is one of the biggest departments of our lab. And I will just request my colleague and senior consultant, Dr. Shivashish Mitro, to walk you through this important section. Over to you, Dr. Mitro.
So coming to the hematology section, this is the workhorse of the section. Our cell analyzers, 5-part cell analyzers from 2 machines which we have as a primary machine, as a backup machine, and which provides service to the whole hospital 24/7. This is an equally important instrument, which is the coagulation analyzer, which is used to give the PT, APTT and fibrinogen results for the whole of the lab, and this is very important to provide critical services to the ICU and the general wards of the hospital. Showing you the final component and very important part of the hematology section is the blood grouping instruments which we use. We use the reputed matrix-based gel card systems, which gives the best and most standard results required for the hospital.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Saurabh Maiti from Ruby General Hospital. Microbiology can help you in your life. If you have a fever, what may be the organism causing it? The microbiology will be able to answer it. And not only that, it will be able to tell what antibiotics will be working best for you and at what doses. We have the MIC based antibiogram and the susceptibility, so it will help to in precise treatment of your condition. Also, you know now the COVID is there and numerous fevers are there like scrub typhus, TB and all those things. The molecular diagnostics will help you in diagnosis the condition truly, and you will get the right treatment.
So now one may ask, why should you use or avail the services of the Ruby Lab? Well, let me assure you, Ruby Lab for the last few years has been at the forefront of cutting edge technology. We have moved to a new premises since 2021 and we are having excellent instrumentation which is world-class technologies and a dedicated workforce, and of late we also have, other than NABH accreditation, we have recently also acquired the NABL or National Accreditation Board for Laboratories, which is a world-renowned internationally acclaimed body. We have been certified and accredited by this NABL, and we have an NABL accredited lab, and we have around 190 parameters spread across 7 disciplines which are coming under the purview of NABL scope. And I can assure you that the testing which is being done and the staff we have are both world class, and we can assure you that all your reports which are being imported and which are being generated from this lab conforms to world standards and NABL standards, and that too at an affordable rate.